Hi there! In this video, I'll be covering Creattie Editor, and I'll also show some of our unique features and how to use them. Let's go with this item and check out the Asset Page features. One note: to access the editing tools, you need to have a pro account or use free items. So what we have here: you can add items to your favorite page, switch between static and animated versions, and of course edit the colors. One unique feature our users adore is that you can customize the character skin tones. You can also change the background. Here you can see the recently used colors and even save your project colors. Another great feature is that you can customize the stroke width in some of our animated icons. So instead of having multiple collections, we devised this solution to save you time. Also, you can see other items from the same collection below. This is basically about our item page and Creattie Editor. Simple and easy to use. And after you download the animation, you will have access to the code snippet so you can embed it directly into web pages. In addition, you can also edit the animation speed and interactions. However, we recommend downloading the files and add to your website for optimal performance. And downloads count only per design, meaning you can download as many versions and in any format you wish.